Sleep is the most important dimension of our life for our physical, mental, and emotional well being. Lack of proper sleep has been the cause of several illnesses and disorders of man's life. According to medical science research, 7 to 8 hours of sleep is a mandatory requirement. However, a great majority of the whole world population has fallen victim to sleep deprivation. If a man cannot sleep well, he cannot live well in his life. Even for a spiritual seeker, a sound sleep is the most important requirement. Hence, these 7 significant rules must be followed by every individual on this earth. The first and most fundamental fact about sleep is that it comes, it cannot be forced to come. Like meditation and like love, it happens. Therefore, you can only create situations for sleep to come. You cannot manage it to come. So, the most important suggestion is stop trying to sleep and engage yourself in some task. This task may be like reading a book or watching the TV. Consequently, the sleep will follow automatically. You will not have to search for it, it will come on its own. Secondly, a lukewarm or hot water bath is very useful for slipping into sound sleep. It brings great quality and beauty to our sleep. Our body is made of 60% water, and a hot water bath balances our body system, and at the same time it also cleanses and calms down our nerves. Since it cleanses the body so well, we experience a strange freshness after the bath. Scientific researchers have proved that hot water bath brings down the temperature of the body, which signals to the body that it's the time for going to the bed. And in this process, sleep comes very soon. Thirdly, placing your head in the right direction is also very useful while sleeping. Therefore, avoid facing your head towards the north direction in the northern hemisphere and facing your head towards the south in the southern hemisphere. If you place your head facing these directions, the supply of blood to your brain will be increased because of the magnetic pull of the earth, and in due course of time this will affect your health very adversely. And this scientific fact had already been known by the ancient sages and seers thousands and thousands years ago, as has been depicted in the Hindu scriptures as well as the Vastu Shastra. Fourthly, what you eat and how you eat as a part of your diet also plays a vital role as regards your sleep. It is a well established rule that there must be a gap of at least 3 hours between your dinner and your bedtime. Now it has become an established rule that there must be a gap of about 3 hours between your dinner and your bedtime so that your food can be digested properly. In addition to this, bring uncooked natural foods in your diet because cooking destroys the vital energy or the prana of the foods. This leads to lethargy in your life and living. Fresh fruits and leafy vegetables are highly beneficial because they are easily digested and they also reduce your sleep quota. Further, cooked food must be consumed within 2 hours of its cooking. Stale food or canned food creates a number of physiological problems and raises your sleep quota. it causes tremors or inertia, which brings down mental agility and alertness. And finally, develop the habit of eating slightly less than your hunger and practice chewing it 24 to 40 times so that it gets pre-digested in your mouth before going in. And sixthly, practice Nidra Sanjayoni, the bedtime meditation, which is a powerful antidote to insomnia. This meditation is so powerful that even before the completion of its final stage, even before the completion of the final step of this kriya, you will find yourself slipping into sleep. This bedtime meditation is practiced while lying on the bed for sleeping, and it helps you in two ways. On the one hand, it takes your body, your breath and your mind to sleep, and on the other, it keeps your consciousness wide awake within yourself. Consequently, this kriya makes your whole sleep meditative, and in this way it proves to be a powerful tool of your total transformation. And fifthly, whatsoever you take inside through any of your senses becomes the food of your body, mind and soul, not only what you take through your mouth. And whatever goes inside is bound to create its good or bad effects on you. Therefore, it is mandatory for you to allow only those things to enter through your eyes which are worth seeing. Allow only those things to enter through your ears which are worth listening, and allow only those things to enter your mind which are worth thinking. If you allow all the rubbish to go inside through your senses, it is bound to create unhealthy effects on your body, mind and soul, and it will also become instrumental in destroying your sleep. And finally, while sleeping, keep yourself away from the electromagnetic radiations, especially through mobile phones and Wi-Fi routers. At the same time, ensure the regular intake of omega-3 fatty acids, which are easily available from walnuts and flax seeds. Thank you.